Hi, I'm Vince Galante. I'm the head of design for Jeep, and I'm here to introduce you to one of our Easter Jeep Safari concepts for 2025. So this one we call the Convoy, and this started life as a 2025 Gladiator Mojave. And what we wanted to do is give it a really military inspired look. So the first thing we did is look at our heritage, and we did a completely new custom front end inspired by our 60s and 70s military, we call the J trucks of the time. So that's where you get this kind of slanted forward front. This one has high fenders on it as well to support these 40-inch KM3 tires. Now you'll notice the tread pattern on these is super blocky, and we wanted this for rock crawling. But mainly the big centerpiece of this is the front end and the super military inspired look. You'll notice the upper headlights and lower fog lights are both off-road specific super bright yellow lights that'll help you during the night. With the military heritage, one of the most powerful ways to show that is color. So on this one, we're featuring an all-new color we call Ghost. It's finished in a matte, with a matte clear coat. To complement that, we have this chocolate brown canvas doors and roof, a color that we haven't used before. And then on the inside, you'll notice that same Ghost gray and a lot of black, but then kind of a surprise of this aqua color that we put inside that was inspired by the military aircraft of the past. I think from the side you'll really see the lift that you get from these 40-inch tires, and also we put an extra 2 inches into the suspension. Here we're at the back of the Convoy, and first thing you'll notice here is that the liftgate has been, we've changed the letters out with a more military-inspired letter, again, from our past. And from this angle you can probably just see a peek of the interior color, which is this super bright aqua. You wonder if this is military inspired, everything else is drab. Why is the interior this aqua blue, aqua green color? So we were looking at military aircraft, and we noticed a lot of them use contrasting colors like greens and blues. And what that does is it makes everything around you disappear so that you can focus just on the gauges, which in this one we've finished with a gloss black finish around them, again, to help focus your eyes. So a little cool story there, inspired by some of our military aircraft.